MicroMD EMR simplifies documentation so providers can focus on their patients, not their technology. MicroMD is simple to navigate, customizable to user preferences, and offers highly configurable provider-specific workflows. This video will focus on just one of the many documentation styles available in MicroMD, the popular single view encounter. MicroMD, in collaboration with our providers, designed the most efficient way to review chart information and document an encounter in a single window. Less navigation steps and fewer clicks make for a better provider experience. Let's take a closer look. In the single view encounter, each provider can determine the medical information they want included in their workflow. Providers can have different preset workflows for different appointment types. For example, this simple workflow has only critical chart data like vitals, allergies, medications, and problem list. While this diabetes follow-up workflow is customized to include more chart information like histories, attachments, and lab results. As providers use the quick links to navigate, each section displays in the focus window. The system automatically time and date stamps that it was reviewed, capturing the metadata to satisfy MIPS measures. Any information needed that is not part of the workflow is accessible on the custom ribbon bar at the top of the screen, including access to dashboards and attached documents. The encounter can also be customized to the provider's preferred documentation style. Whether a provider likes to use point-and-click templates, opts for a all-normal default style, prefers to utilize narrative text templates, or voice recognition, MicroMD EMR can handle it all. Point-and-click workflows include easy-to-modify standard templates, which are designed to include optional items that can be added with a single click of the yellow question mark icon. A Denies All button makes quick work of documenting ROS items. You can quickly record any pertinent positives, optional items, and add comments as needed.
Documenting the objective section can be simple with the optional All Normal button.
Click to document that general body systems are within normal limits, change any pertinent findings. Then focus your template on just the specific body system or systems being assessed. With the E&M coding shift away from counting clicks to now emphasizing narrative documentation of HPI and medical decision-making, our EMR makes it easy with large text areas. Instead of point and click, providers can choose a workflow that accommodates free text templates, and voice recognition, including auto text voice templates. Providers can choose to use narrative text in specific note sections like HPI, physical exam, and medical decision-making, or in a single text section using a progress style note. Are you interested in using the latest AI tools to simplify your day? Leverage the power of artificial intelligence by combining MicroMD with DAX Copilot, Dragon's latest AI-empowered ambient experience software. Imagine simply turning on your iPhone and letting DAX Copilot record the conversation of your patient visit and your observations while you focus on your patient. DAX Copilot eliminates side conversations, irrelevant information, and summarizes your observations into a properly formatted medical encounter. Your encounter notes are ready as soon as you finish. Supplemental recordings from your iPhone PowerMic Mobile allow you to add lab results, add to and edit your summaries on the fly. When you are satisfied, open MicroMD and simply tell DAX to put the note into your patient's encounter with a simple voice command. MicroMD's powerful, natural language ICD-10 search tool makes quick work of locating specific diagnostic codes, or treatment plan templates can allow you to select from options within the template. Adding orders and e-prescribing are both easy with a simple click within the single view encounter. Encounter summaries are easily viewed on the fly, and encounter reports can be customized to the individual provider or purpose of the visit. The Bill Builder screen helps wrap up the note quickly with E&M coding selection. Processing prescriptions, providing patient education, and checking for quality measure verification in one simple window. There's much more to see. Why not check out our next video or schedule a demo to learn more?